Welcome to 8736 Palermo. This is one of my favorite homes located in Monclova Township, Anthony Wayne Schools. Here you're going to find the best of all worlds, whether you're looking for new construction or existing. Come on inside and take a look. I hope you enjoyed your tour. One of the best things about this home that sets it apart from any of the others is its location. It's located in a cul-de-sac with a private backyard, which is really hard to find. But not only that, if you top it off with the privacy that you're going to see here, you're going to see over here is an open common area with a pond and is a view from the other side. If you have any questions or would like to take a tour, give us a call.